You can just type. You can just click this out. Click this. Use the mouse.
This.
Yep. Yun. Tapos, what does it say? Marangat. Yan. This is the website. Diba? Through the magic of coding, the website will probably know that the type of computer you are using and the download button. Ayun, no? Oh, download is this.
This.
Yeah. Open file. Here. Install now.
Where?
Here. That one.
This. This. Up.
Yep. Out. Yes. Oh, sit down ka lang.
Where's that? This pop it.
Balik ka dun.
Go back.
Yun. Download will start and will probably go to the bottom window picture. Then click install now. Oh, we're done with that. Wait for the install to finish. Okay.
It's done. Wait, it's already done.
Is it? You have to wait. Still installing. Ayan. Ah. Close mo na lang, Lucas. Close it. Close. Ayan. Close. Exit mo ta. Yes. Ah, what's next? Close, next. Map. Next natin. Lucas, ako na. Don't move. Tapos na yan eh. Tapos na tayo dyan. IDE. Click on the start menu. Go. Here.
This.
Yep. No. Click it. Tap it. Click it again. Tapos, iyan mo nga ito. Maximize mo. Tapos, ito. This one. Start. Not that. This one. Start menu. Idle. Ito na yun eh. Type mo nga idle, Lucas. IDLE. Wait. Tapos next mo na. Next page. Ayun na. Next page. Awesome. You open IDLE on Windows and you are now ready to start writing some code on Python. Sige, next. Next page. Kasi Mac yan eh. Next page. Next page again. Say, wait. Ito na. Say hi to Python. Now that you've installed Python and read mo na. IDLE on your computer. Let's say hi. Open up IDLE on your computer. If it's already open, whenever you open up the IDLE, next page. How come mag-type? Next page.
Next page.
Oh, isang page lang. Go. Ay, naku po. Yan. You will also be brought to the shell first. Shell is the interactive window that allows you to write Python code within it and see the result of your code right away in your node. In your shell, go ahead and type the following code. Lucas, type it now.
What's the code?
Print. Hi Python. Type it. Print. P-R-I.
Here?
Yeah, there. P-R-I.
This is the I?
Yes. Print. That's a code, ha? Tapos, open and close parenthesis. Hold shift, and then here, oh.
This?
Yeah, hold shift. Yan. Tapos, yan, oh. This one.
Hi.
Shift also. Shift.
This?
Yeah.
Shift, then
Yeah.
this?
Yeah. Tapos, ayun, no? Write, hi, Python. H. Shift H, Lucas. Kasi capital H.
Shift.
Gusto mo eh.
H.
I. Space. Space.
Oh.
Not backspace. I. Space.
This.
Python. Capital P. Shift P. Y. T-H-O-N. Go. Ay, not capital, Lucas. Capital P lang. Erase mo, erase. Erase mo. Back. No. Press back. Backspace lang. Yan. Ay. O sige, capital P lang. Shift P. Okay. Let go of the shift. Python, Y-T-H-O-N. Tapos, this one. Yung exclamation mark. Here. Shift. Tapos ito. Tapos, close it na with this one and this one. Shift, hold shift.
This,
Yeah.
this.
Yeah.
This.
Yeah. Now hit enter. Enter.
Where's the enter? Oh, here.
Yeah. Yun. Great job. That's your first code, Lucas. Let me see. Lucas. Move your head.